This is how to assemble the PELEGON Toilet Safety Rails. So here's everything it comes with. We have the left and right handrails, the 4 feet, the seat clamps, bolts, washers, extra parts, and the instruction booklet. So the first thing to do is to grab the left and right rails, and we're gonna attach them together. Simply start by opening it up like this, and then opening up the other side. And then these two pieces can stick together. You do need a little bit of force. And once you reach that, there's gonna be this button here. Just give it a press, push it in, and it'll lock in place. And I'll just leave it at this setting for now. Now it's time to lock these arms in place. And we could start by heading over to the back. And you can see this is the back by reading this part over here. And now it's time to grab those C clamps. And these can just go right inside here. Make sure the holes are aligned. And you can just push it through. Just like that. That's one. There's two. Now for the other side. There's three. And there is four. So now it's time for the feet, and I'm going to flip this upside down so it's a little bit easier. And we're going to start in the back. So here's what the foot looks like, and right here is going to be the hole we're going to screw it in. And I'll start at the back side here. And make sure the hole is aligned. And we're going to grab that washer with the round portion facing inside. And then grab that screw and then screw it in. Now you may have to move the leg a little bit just so it's level with it. But afterwards, there, just like that. And I'll tighten it in so it's nice and secure. And that's good. And then do the same thing for the other 3 legs. So here's what it looks like. Now let's head over to the bathroom to install this. So I could just place this here. And there it is. And this is actually at a very low setting. This is the lowest setting. So I want to raise the legs up. And to do so, that's going to be pretty easy. You see right over here where that button is, just press it. And I'm going to twist it all the way to the side. And I'm going to pull the leg as far back as possible. So it's going to be at the tallest setting. I'll do that for all these legs. There, it's 2. There, 3. And 4. Now I can place this here. And because this bathroom is kind of on the small side, you can see that the right part is very close to here. So I actually want to make this narrower. There, just like that. And now it feels a lot better. And now it's ready to be used. But yeah, that's a quick look at how to install the PELEGON Toilet Safety Rails.